means you know what they are. That being said, instead of telling you, I'm just going to tell you. Come on, I'm just going to feed you on through Dr. Pinelli. Sorry, hospital.
Thank goodness you have arrived. I'm Dr. Nathan Connolly, the administrator of Shady Grove Memorial Hospital. We have had several people attacked at our hospital, and we need your help in investigating so our facility may survive. As hospital visitors, we need you to go undercover to search our facility. We are hoping that you will be able to help us determine who is terrifying our staff and patients. This deranged soul always removes at least one eyeball. We believe he or she is keeping these as some sort of demented souvenir. Keep your eyes wide open and pay attention. While in our facility, do not touch any patients or hospital staff. Please refrain from using your cell phone, drinking, smoking, or vaping. We do not want to cause any issues with our equipment. Thank you, and remember, your eyes are the gateway to the soul.
All right, people, you have your marching orders. Go ahead and push your way through that exit. Stay together, and I'll see you on the other side.
Where's the gift shop?
Where's the food court?
How you been, bud?
Good, how are you?
I'm alright. Sounds like a clown. Alright, yeah, you take it. That looks like that hurts, Steve. Whatever. We shall see. Get it?
Quick, he's coming! Quick, he's coming!
You want to cause it? No!
Ah!
That's not good.
And I will take yours! For yours! I want the eye! Give it! Give me the eye! Give me the eye!